Okay, dear. After we test the counterboard, it don't has 48 voltage, and we needed to check the screen side. Let's see if the cable inside of the screen is loosened or falling off. Firstly, we needed to remove the screws on the back of the screen. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. We needed to preparing a screwdriver like this to remove all of the screws. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now all of the screws has already removed, and we needed to open the screen, and you need it like this. Okay, and be careful. Okay, now it's open, and you have to check this white cable. Be careful and don't break it. And this cable, you needed to press it and make sure it's pretty tight. And you can unplug it and plug it again. Make sure it's pretty tight. Okay.